Hey guys, today I'm going to be fixing some of my oldest homemade slimes. Starting with this slime. So this one is very interesting because it is literally glue. It's literally glue, but it has so much glitter in the bottom of it. So and it also has a weird smell. So we're gonna have to make it bigger by adding more glue, and then we'll have to try to theme it from there. So now we have a bowl. So we are going to try to pour out a lot of this. I would normally use my hands, but it's literally just glue, so I'm not going to this time. I'm gonna use a spoon to get the glitter off the bottom because, oh, there's so much. Okay. We'll get out more of it later, probably, maybe, I don't know. Okay, that's most of it. Now, the slime is pretty small, so we're gonna add more glue just to make it bigger. My Elmer's glue, and I'm gonna go ahead and pour some in. Oh wow, that was way too much. That's okay. I did not see. Okay, and since there's a lot of chunks of glitter, we're just gonna mix this in. We're gonna start to activate it since we have mixed it all together. Okay. That's good, and we'll add a little bit more at a time. So this slime looks super weird on camera, but it's okay. We're gonna dye it next, but it's starting to actually come together and it looks really pretty. Okay, so I just finished activating the entire slime, and so I have a really cool theme that we're gonna do. So we are going to do a strawberry grape themed slime. So we are going to split this slime in half, and we're going to be doing a swirl of pink and purple. Video we filmed was accidentally a time lapse, so we already actually swirled the slime, but it's, like I said, it's going to be a strawberry grape sorbet. And so now we're going to be adding some glitter and our charms. So let's just add a bit of glitter. Okay, that's probably enough. Oh wow, that's kind of a lot actually. It's fine. Okay, that's pretty cute. Okay, now let's add. I do not have like big charms, but these will suffice, I guess. So yeah, this is our new slime. Now let's mix it together. Quickly, before we actually mix this in, since the charms look kind of sad, we're going to try to make it a little interesting and add some bingsu beads for some crunch, maybe. It'll kind of be cute. There we go. Now let's mix it together. Here is her next slime. Don't ask me why it's in a cottage cheese container. Anyway, this, it's not exactly glue. It's just really, really sticky slime. And it has nail polish in it. So it smells very strongly of nail polish. And it's really gross. So we're gonna be fixing it next. Back with our bowl, and actually this time we're not gonna add any glue yet. We might have to add more, but first we're gonna activate it just to see if it is big enough or if it works. So let's pour it in. Okay, this one is a little bit more slime-like because it's going a little bit slower, but let's get it all the way out. Okay, it does feel a lot more like slime in the bottom. Oh wow, okay, yeah, this is very sticky. Got our slime, and we're gonna begin the activation process. Okay, so since this is going to be a butterfly and flower inspired slime, we are going to be making a clay butterfly. What we're gonna do is we're gonna dye this clay pink, and then we're going to roll it out flat and use this butterfly charm cookie cutter to make the shape. Not gonna dye this slime, but we are going to add some glitter and some cute charms, and of course our clay topper. So we are going to mix this in. We're not doing a swirl because we're not doing two colors, because I really like this color. That fits pretty well. And we're going to add some of our white glitter. I don't want to add too much. Okay, okay, that's probably too much, but that's okay. Just add this on top. That's perfect, actually. And now we have a lot this time. Last time it was kind of underwhelming. We have a lot of these flower charms, so we're going to be adding these in all around. Okay. This looks so cute. Okay. We have our clay butterfly, and we're going to add it on, and then we're going to squish it up. Okay, so I'm very happy with the slime. It's a very cute color. The butterfly didn't turn out as well as planned, but it's okay, and it's a great finished product, and it's much better than it was before. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay positive. Bye!